Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. A few subsets are given. Complete the Venn diagram for this information. First off, we have to write the intersection first as always. The intersection is what's common between x and y, and we can see here that that's 12, and that seems to be just it. So we can put here 12. Now we can remove this, and we can simply write what is for x, which is 4 and 8 and 16. And then for y, we have 6 and 18. Now, we also have to write what's outside the subset. Now, we have 4, 8, 16, 12, 6, and 18. We can remove this from E. So we have 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, and 18. So we're left with 2, 10, and 14. Moving on, a number is chosen at random from E. Find the probability that the number is in the set X union Y. So X union Y means everything within the subset. And since there are only 9 possible values, we simply count how many are inside. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's just 6 over 9. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.